Hello guys, what's up? So today we're gonna do it really fast. GJ is playing wonderfully from our entry point. We are seeing a drop of almost 230 pips playing out. Kudos to everyone who's been riding this move with me, GBPJPY. But now it's time to see what this day could hold for us. First of all, I want to look at what the 1.27 of this area is for a target point. So let's see what the 1.27 holds for this level. And what we see is we have an interesting point around here. If I call it around 150.5 area, we have a point of interest. If not, we're coming down to 149.5 area. All right, for GJ, that's all I'm gonna wait for in the daily. If I come to the 4 hour, I remove the fibs. What we're actually looking at for GJ is maybe a pullback from this area, maybe a pullback. Possibly maybe get an imbalanced fill and then get a pullback, or maybe we could try for a buy entry, a nice pullback of almost 100, 120 pips if we do want to continue to the downside, or we could expect a short pullback to take these lows out for GJ. In terms of entry points for today, I will try to put up some entries for all our intraday traders. I personally won't be taking these entries, but you could look for entry points around these areas. You have an equal highs here. This could be a nice entry point for you guys. Trying to ride the move a little bit late. I'm gonna mark up the zone for you guys. You could try getting a nice 5-minute entry off of this, or no, not just this one. If this doesn't hold, we're gonna actually wait for a reversal happening around here. So that's all for GJ. There's not much to talk about since we're already in the trade. Now we just gotta be patient, wait it out. Like I said, this could be a nice entry position. Took out one equal highs, forming equal highs again, comes back, forms the ABC pattern I talk about, and boom, a nice drop on the, a nice drop on the 1 hour time frame. So watch out for this on GJ. I'm gonna take it off. Let's look at, okay, I'm gonna change the music for a bit. Can you guys give me some music suggestions? I just got back to listening music while I trade. I switched from listening to Mozart, so I'm just listening to old music right now. But I believe you guys can give me good music. So send me some music in the comments below. Let's go. Let's do some gold analysis. So first of all, I'm sorry we missed this buy from yesterday around by, I think, 15, 18 pips. So I'm sorry for that. We had nothing to do. I expected this imbalance to get filled. We did not. And then we had almost a 120 pip rejection from that area. So why do I have this risk reward still sitting here? Because if you look at it this way, it's still a point of interest. It's still a point of interest. We might come back like we did here, you see, and tap it to keep on going to the higher side on gold. I want to look at some daily perspective for gold for all of you guys. On the daily, gold is still holding these equal lows, trying to come back, make a pullback around this area, maybe take out these highs, but maybe we could see some short-term sell position off of here. But taking this out and coming back here is more imminent, in my opinion. Right now, I think gold will remain bullish until it comes around this area. All right. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour is full of equals, equal highs, another equal. Even though this was a institutional candle play, now it looks more like an equal. This level is very important because of this huge flash crash. A lot of orders, guys, are sitting here. Okay, I just deleted the, okay, My bad. Okay. Yeah. So a lot of orders are sitting on this level right around here. Super important level because of the flash crash. Super important level, this one. So I'm just gonna, if we get an entry off of this, we can ride a very big short position. But if we don't hold, then we're going to the upside because of this opposite side movement followed by the huge drop. So that's all for gold. I want to see if I can find some intraday positions for our intraday traders around here. This buy position could play out. We could maybe look for a buy opportunity around this area. This has to be a 1 minute fast scalp to hold. We are seeing some equal lows and equal highs form. So around early London or late London, we are going to see faster movements for gold for sure. Do we see it come down though? Gold? Maybe, because it is edging towards an imbalanced area. Maybe we could see a drop too, because you know, Monday set the opposite side of the tone. We could see a midweek reversal on Thursday. But that's all for gold, guys. That there isn't really much to talk about. I have the price points figured out. You could also look at this institutional candle around here, but don't just jump in. Wait for smaller time frame confirmation. I want to go into GU, a trade we took yesterday from GU. Before that, I just want to do a quick analysis of what GU is talking about. The only reason GU trade I'm not very positive about is this beautiful trend line. Beautiful trend lines don't usually get respected. So maybe if we do not take this low out, maybe our position will hit stop loss. But for now, we just gotta wait and watch what happens. In terms of GU, at least a 100 pip drop is imminent, in my opinion. Even though we could see some movement around 1.378, that is something to be aware of. We did see a break of structure happening, so I'm not very certain if GU will keep on dropping. But if you look at a higher time frame perspective, it should keep dropping because we have a weekly break of structure inside the daily break of structure. So as you see, a weekly break of structure, but then again, if this was a candle, that would be better than having a wick here. So this is a very interesting position, honestly, for GU. We see a daily break of structure here on the bullish side, but then again, a weekly break of structure on the bearish side. But then again, this took out equal lows and could just be an institutional candle where we could ride up a buy on the upside. Right now, I'm still bearish on GU. So let's go to the 4 hour and see what's up. We got our entry off of this breaker drop here. We could not watch the markets around this area. This would be a safer entry actually, but you know, we're trying to swing that position. So let's see what happens. If this low does not hold like it is right now, if this low does not hold, if we have a break below 1.379, we're seeing a big movement for GU that I'm sure about. At least we're coming down till, I'd say this much, 1.369. So let's see how we do. As of now, we're very small profit, around 25 pips in profit. I did not set my stop loss and break even as of yet. It's a very small movement. Let's look at what the 1 minute, 1 hour is trying to tell us. We did see these kind of equals get taken out. Our entry was based off of this imbalance fill around here, stop loss above this. So if we do hold this level, guys, we might come back to the entry position and keep on dropping, but it's very important to see if we can break this level. We also have two very small equal lows around here. So let's see, only waiting can tell us what's going to happen. In terms of GU though, I think this week is going to be bearish if we do not hold this level, right? Midweek reversal could again come back to the bullish side. That's all for GU, gold. We covered all the pairs. I want to announce the giveaway winner actually. So let us go and announce the giveaway winner together. All right. So First of all, whatever you're struggling with, just come here, click, and you're gonna know. If you want to know what we're offering for 9 minutes 20 seconds, you're gonna know all about our MOC offerings in this video. Now, the giveaway winner, who wins a one-to-one call with me? This is Karpura Sundarapandian Bhaskar. Mr. Karpura Sundarian Bhaskar, you are the winner of this week's giveaway, and I will wait for you to reach out to us for another 24 hours. My team will let me know if you did. If you do not, the second winner, the #1 contender, is Ishmam Khan. You got the answer right too. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you really enjoy the week. Let us know in the comments below how we can improve. And by the way, coming soon, what Forex has done for me in the past 42 months, everything, how much I've spent on traveling, how much I have made, how much I've spent on friends, on cars, how many countries I've visited, all the food I've spent on, all the luxury food. So everything together, all right? Thank you very much for watching. This was Daily Market Overview with Asif Hussain, August 2021. See you tomorrow.